Hello guys, this is Adele. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Ton API to build real life solutions on the Ton blockchain. My focus today will be on wallet tracking, which is something very useful for checking wallet activities, building Telegram boards, or tracking your payments in Web3. And with this video, it can actually solve problems of transparency and accessibility, because this makes it easier for anyone to see what's happening on chain with just a few lines of code. So let's dive right in, guys. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so we are starting with a folder in the Visual Studio Code. We are going to create a folder and we're going to name it Ton API Tutorial. And like I said earlier, the VSC is an editor actually, and it's not an API. Disclaimer: it's not an API, so you can install extensions, write code in the VSC to work with the API. So, and the extension we're going to be using is REST client. So I'll tell you about that later. Now, after that, you refresh and you see that it's there already. So the next step is creating a file. Yes. So the file is where we're going to be writing the code in actually. So that is it. So you create a file and you term it tonapi.htcp. Yes. So another reason why I actually chose VSC is because it's actually great for testing out API. It works smoothly, it's fast, and also it's fast and is it can actually work with many languages like JavaScript, Python, Solidity. So now the website is created. So next thing is to download your extension. So you have to download the REST client extension. So now to get it, you just have to go to your search bar, search for client. Yes, so you search for client, it's going to pop up. So the REST is in capital letter, actually, uppercase. So yeah, then you click on it. I have already installed mine, so I'm not going to go to the process of installing again. So you just have to install yours and get working. So you just have to just scroll down so that everything is in place. All right, so here it's open, and after that you're just going to minimize, then refresh. Yes, then after refreshing, then comes the next phase. So the next phase is getting the API, the Ton API. So now what you need to do to get the API is we'll go to the public website of Ton blockchain. So go to your browser, you search for tonapi.io, then it's open, then you scroll down to the last part, to the documents. So you click on it. Yeah, so you get back to down to the last part, documentation. You click on it. It's going to take you to another endpoint. Yes, it takes another endpoint where we can get to fetch wallets. Yes, and fetch wallets for different transactions. Yeah, but that is just it. So when you get there, you click on Ton API. Then you're supposed to scroll down and click on REST API. So that's just it. Then you click on wallets. Yes. So that being said, you have to go down a bit, check for the wallets, and scroll. Okay, yeah. So here is it. You click on wallets, and it's going to open a new interface for you, operations, and the rest. But then that is not it. You scroll up again. You click on blockchain. So yes, you scroll up, you get to the blockchain sector, then you click on it. Yes, so you click on blockchain. So this is where we'll be getting our URL from, because what we need to do is we need to copy the URL, then impute our Ton wallet address. So the address you want to get to track, you impute it there. So that is what we are going to do. So you input it and then you use the normal prompt, and then we start testing the wallets actually to check the transactions. So that's what we're going to do. You hold on a bit for it to load. Yeah. So now it has actually loaded. Then you scroll down. So if you look at my screen, you're going to see where I'm actually going to. So you click on get, and then it brings out different parameters for you. So which you're supposed to scroll down to response, and you click, then you just have to click on this try it out. If you click on try it out, then you see execute. You click on it, then it will show you URL. Yes, good. So you just have to copy it out. So because this has a lot of non-essentials that we don't need. So what we need to do is we copy it out, take it to a different page or maybe or notepad or something. Then we edit. Yes. So we have to edit it down to the account. Yeah. So you just watch me do it. So edit it down to the account part. Then you impute your wallet address. Yes. So that is all you are going to be doing. So yeah, and also the essence of this Ton API actually is it gives us access to live blockchain data without having to run nodes. Also, the data returns clean. Yeah, clean, and it plays well actually. And then, aside leaving blockchain data, we can build box with the apps, analyze dashboards, token tracker, and a whole lot of it. So that is just it. So now, get to this part. After imputing your Ton address, you put slash and transaction. Good. So done. You copy. So you copy it, and then you take it back to the public website. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Because to test the wallet, you have to change the wallet address in URL to yours, and then you have to send a request again. So it's the reset. The recent client actually makes the whole sending a request in very easy. Yes. So aside it helping us to talk to the Ton app, and it actually makes it easy. After pasting the URL there, you have to put in the normal code, the normal prompt. So you put hashtags. So you copy it and take it back to the file we created. Yes, the Ton API.http, sorry. So that's the file we created. Then you just type in these words I'm typing in now, actually. So you type it in and you paste the link. And it's going to give you a full rundown with date and the whole detailed transactions actually. So that's just it. So just watch me do it. And then watch what's going to show up at the end. Okay, so you're looking at it now and you're seeing that it actually started with dates, because I literally did this like yesterday. So it started with the dates and it's giving you a rundown of the whole details actually. So you can just get to scroll down and check it out and look at the whole thing. So yes, this is actually what it's all about. So this is a perfect and a beginner guide as a newbie or pro, and you really want to understand how the API works using the API on the Ton blockchain. This is really important. So we started from the installing and getting the VSC, getting the REST code, let's try and close. So yes, you are seeing everything on the blockchain is transparent. So everything from the date and all the transactions way back is listed out here. So you can always just scroll down and check it out. And you're seeing I actually did this yesterday. So the date is actually there. So it gives you a date of the whole transaction processes and everything. So this is actually where we come to an end. And with this is to tell you that you need to check out Ton API and get to run your transactions through it, because it's very easy actually. It's easy, it's seamless, and it's fast. So check out the way we just fetch these transactions in just few minutes actually. It doesn't really take time. So yes, that's the end of this video. So do well to like and subscribe and check out Ton API. Thank you.